Number 16. Gain good marks. It means to achieve high scores in academic settings.
She studies hard to gain good marks. She studies hard to gain good marks. Gaining good marks requires consistent effort. Gaining good marks requires consistent effort. He was thrilled to gain good marks in math. He was thrilled to gain good marks in math.
Number 17. Gain a place. It means to earn a position or spot in a group, team, or school.
She gained a place at the university. She gained a place at the university. He gained a place on the football team. He gained a place on the football team. They worked hard to gain a place in the competition. They worked hard to gain a place in the competition.
Number 18. Gain power. It means to increase in authority or control.
Politicians seek to gain power through elections. Politicians seek to gain power through elections. Over time, the leader gained more power. Over time, the leader gained more power. He gained power in the company quickly. He gained power in the company quickly.
Number 19. Gain publicity. It means to attract public attention or media coverage.
The event gained publicity through social media. The event gained publicity through social media. She gained publicity for her charitable work. She gained publicity for her charitable work. Their campaign gained publicity nationwide. Their campaign gained publicity nationwide.
Number 20. Gain recognition. It means to receive acknowledgement or fame from others.
The artist gained recognition for his innovative style. The artist gained recognition for his innovative style. Her research gained recognition in the field. Her research gained recognition in the field. They gained recognition after years of hard work. They gained recognition after years of hard work.